Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of Medical Image Analysis course. In this tutorial, we will show the MATLAB implementation of Therian's 1960 image matching algorithm, which was inspired by the famous thought experiment by Maxwell, also called Maxwell's demons. In this example, we will show how to solve an image registration problem in which the same hand has been photographed in two different poses. You will notice that the misalignment of the images varies locally throughout the image. So the first step is to read the two images into the workspace. So the command for that is imread. So the first image is stored in a variable called fixed, and the second image is stored in another variable called moving. So these terms come from the paper only, the Therian's paper. Okay. So the second step is to convert the images to grayscale for processing. So the command for that is im to gray. So this converts the images to grayscale. Now if we look at these two images, fixed and moving, so you can see, you can observe the initial misalignment between the two images. Fingers are in different, are not well aligned, they are in different. You can see here they are well spread, here they are not. So there is some initial misalignment in the figures. So to we can overlay the two images. We can overlay the two images to make it easy to see where the images differ. So for example, when we run this part of code, so the differences between the two images are highlighted in green and magenta. Okay. So the next step. Okay. So the next step is to correct the illumination differences between the moving and fixed images using histogram matching. So for histogram matching, you can refer to the lecture by the professor. This is a common pre-processing step. So here we do histogram matching. So in MATLAB, you can use this inbuilt function imhistmatch for histogram matching. So the next step is to estimate the transformation needed to bring the two images into alignment. So for that, the command used in MATLAB is imregdemons. So this is an inbuilt function in the MATLAB image processing toolbox, which implements the this demons algorithm. So what it does is it estimates a displacement field D that aligns the image to be registered. The image to be registered is the moving image, the right hand side, and it aligns the image to be registered with the reference image, and the reference image is the fixed image, which is in the left hand side. So the displacement vectors at each pixel location map locations from the fixed image grid to a corresponding location in the moving image. In this in this example, the number of iterations are fixed to be 500, and the parameter related to weight computation is taken to be 1.3. So please refer to the lecture and the paper for details. So when we run this algorithm, we get the following results. So when we display the results of registration, we can see that the images are, this image is overlaid to show the alignment, and as we can see, the moving image has diffused very nicely to the fixed image, and the alignment is pretty good. So initially we started with this type of moving image, which was not very well aligned with the fixed image, but after applying this algorithm, we see that the alignment of the fingers is very nice, and the two images are now very well aligned. So that's all for the second tutorial. Thanks.